oxygen levels stable.
Your mission to observe and study planet Earth. Do not
Hey guys, it's me Shivangi and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this highly requested video. So a couple of weeks ago I uploaded a video in which I shared about how I edit my reels and the editing process and some basic features of the app and stuff like that, and the result on that video was insanely good. So here I am with another video in which I'll share more of my reeling process. Is that the right word? Probably not. So this video might help you in getting some reel ideas and learning some cool tips and tricks, and who knows, gaining 100,000 or even a million views. That was a long intro, but let me take you guys with me. So the app that I use to edit my videos is B612 and I love it. Like, I am obsessed. The features so easy to use, so aesthetic, and if you're someone who loves to click pictures and just loves to create content in general and you don't know about the app B612, I feel bad for you, but better late than never. B612 is all-in-one content creation app with 1 billion plus download, and it is available for free on Play Store. It's a very cool app. It has a ton of varieties, aesthetics, mood, vibe, of everything. It's your camera, it's your photo editing app, it's your video editing app. It has so many cool presets, so many cool filters, so many cool makeup presets, and so many cool AR effects. And it has sticker option, like trendy sticker options. It has adjustment option that can literally elevate the level of your pictures. It has brush option in case you are interested into doodling and stuff, and it has text option to add little text on your pictures, on your videos, and a lot more things. So now let's get into the video because you don't want to miss out what's coming next in the video. So for this video, I have some clips of mine that I shot, and this short video is about becoming that girl, which is basically becoming a better version of yourself. So I'll be placing my screen here and I'll show you the editing process. Firstly, trim all the sections that you don't want to include in your video, and the next part has to be adding filters on your videos. The app has so many beautiful filters of all aesthetics, vibes, moods, events. Also, you can add some effects on your videos like some glitch effect, grain effect, screen loading effect, and sunlight effect. Also, one of my favorite effect is sun lamp effect, which gives a kind of an illusion that there is sunlight on your face, on your body, without even buying the expensive sun lamp. Now, once you are done with everything, save your clip, follow the same process with other clips too, merge them while uploading the reel, and you're done.
If the world is over, may I be your go-to. I wanna see the goodness. It might be tough to show you, but you don't wanna want to. Oh, yeah. I ain't still that kid grinding overtime with me. Back then, young, calm, rebel, call me a G. I got a kitchen, I chef and OD. Like where I need, got it no longer just seeds. I do this with ease.
So for this video, I'm going to do an Indian get ready with me type of thing. So basically the editing process for this video is almost same. Trimming all the unwanted part, adding filters, some effects. So let's talk about how I shot this video. I shot this video during daytime because daytime sunlight always wins over any kind of ring light. Also, a pro tip is that you can shoot your videos directly from the B612 camera, as it will minimize your effort while editing the video. Now save the clip, merge the clip while uploading the reel, and you are done. Moving on to the next feature that literally surprises me because it's so amazing and it's available for free. And this feature has photo template and video template. You don't have to do anything, like literally nothing. You have to do nothing. You don't have to add music, nor you have to add any kind of filters, and also you don't have to do any kind of trimming, splitting, fitting, cutting, fitting. You have to do nothing. The template does everything automatically for you. So it's kind of cool, right? So basically it's like a magic wand, and here's the tutorial. First open the B612 app and go to the edit option, and then you will find so many beautiful, amazing templates of all aesthetic, vibe, mood. As you might know that to edit a one single video, it takes forever and it has to be perfect. And that is the reason I love this feature so much, because it minimizes your efforts, your time, and still gives you the best results. Choose any of your favorite template, add photos, video clips, and you are done.
Everything sucks. Just kidding. Everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did.
Now, while you are uploading a video on the internet, it should look attractive, and to add the cherry on top, you should have a good and attractive thumbnail, or can say a cover that would get clicks on it.
But we should not judge a book by its cover.
Hey, it's not a book, it's a video. And secondly, it's not in real life, it's on social media. Firstly, choose the picture you want to edit and then add filters. Choose a filter that suits best on your photo. You can also add effects on your photo like the butterfly effect, so dreamy, so aesthetic, and you can save it as a video too. Now go on the adjustment option, do some light fixing, like fixing the curves, fixing the highlights, fixing the shadows. Now once you're done, save your picture. Use this photo as your Instagram post or reel cover. Another amazing feature of B612 is that you can create your own customized filter, which I think is super cool. Like, I am in love with this feature of B612, and once you're done creating your filter, you can share it with your friends, which is so cool. And you can go really creative with this feature. And here is the tutorial of my filter, and you can check my filter on B612, link in description. Now, firstly open the app B612, go to settings, create your account, and then tap on the option that says hot, then tap on the create icon, and then comes the super interesting part in which you can be super creative while creating your own filter. This is a very basic filter of mine that I created very randomly on B612. I'll create more filters, and the best part is that you can share the filter with your friends and family too. Share the filter on your profile and you're done. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a bright blue thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I promise you won't be disappointed. Turn on the notification bell
so that you get disturbed every time she uploads a video.
and follow me on my Instagram. It's @ShivangiSinghOfficial, because of course I can't post every reel of mine here because it's YouTube, not TikTok. Shivangi Editing put that and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys. Subscribe. Hey guys, it's me Shivangi, and okay.